Let me share something with you. Yesterday I unboxed some candy cane soap. It was red and white. Don't ever buy soap with red coloring in it. When you're bathing with it, you're streaked with red. The water becomes red. It looks like there's been a massacre in your shower. That's not relaxing. It's not particularly good for your mental health. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to Vlogmas day 23. It is really winding down here. I have a fun unboxing for you today, but first we have our tea of the day. Yesterday? That's it, yes. And I just realized that I just ate a mint. Why did I do that before I drank tea? Because that skews my taste. Anyway, this is the Satsuma Spice Cake tea. When I open the package, it smells like fruit cake. But the tea doesn't smell that way. It's much weaker. It smells pretty bland. The taste is more like fruitcake. I get orange and it tastes like other dried fruits. Yeah, it's definitely orange is dominant, but it's a mixture of fruits. This is the fruitcake tea. If you like fruitcake, you'll like this tea. I'm about to head out to the grocery store on the day before Christmas Eve. Wish me luck. And I'll be taking this bag with me. It'll be the first time I carry it. I unboxed this the other day. It is from I Love Jewelry. I will link it below. Here's the bottom. It has feet. I don't think I showed that the other day. And it has this red interior with a pocket on one side there. Looking forward to carrying it. I have some stuff in it now. Feels good, doesn't feel too heavy or anything. I really like it. That's a fun bag. And I will link that below. Also, anytime I wear this necklace, I get questions about it. I won't be able to link it below. I got it at some like cheap kid teenage jewelry store, clothing store years and years ago. So there's no way for me to find it again. But it looks very Gucci-esque, doesn't it? I just love this thing. And it's held up for being, I'm sure it was under $10. It is held up so well. There's no tarnishing or anything. No big plans today, just grocery store shopping for Christmas Day meals. I'm getting stuff for a big breakfast, and I'm getting sides for our honey ham. I also need to go to the liquor store, get some champagne for mimosas, and maybe some gifts for people. Do some cleaning around the house, wrap the last of some of the gifts, and those are my big plans for today. So let's get to this unboxing. It is a really fun one, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Now, before we get started with this box, I would be remiss if I didn't tell you about the beautiful jewelry I'm wearing by Jill Maurer, friend and fellow YouTuber. Excuse me. Fine jewelry designer, Jill Maurer. This is her Taurus necklace, and I will link it below. And then I'm also wearing her Brahma earrings, which match, and they're quite beautiful. So there, go get yourself some by clicking the link below. I will also link her YouTube channel. She's doing a video a year. No, that's not right. She's doing a video a day for the year 2019. She's almost done with that. She's getting very, very close, and she's done an amazing job. So if you have not yet looked at her channel, go check it out. She talks about jewelry and design and all kinds of fun things. She's educational, informative, and funny. This box just arrived, and I'm really excited to show it to you. I found it pretty recently on Cratejoy, and I will link it below. I'll just show you the name of it instead of saying the name. So that's the name of the subscription box. The reason I'm not gonna say it is because I'm a teacher, and I know sometimes my students watch my channel, so I don't use some of these words because I don't think my students need to hear me saying that. But let me give you a little spin of the box. So there is the top, because it's pretty funny. There's the website, the back, we've all heard that quote, right? And that, and then even the bottom of the box, let me cover my address here. That's pretty funny too. This box, when I saw it on Cratejoy and I saw some of the past items that have been in the box, I thought it looked so fun, and there was a good deal on it and a sale, and so I thought I'd give it a try and share it with you guys. As usual, when you open a subscription box, there's paperwork on top. There's that. And the back. And it looks like the inside shows you what's in the box, so I'm not going to look at that. First thing I see, this is good for me. It's a pen, you know I love pens. And it says, Born to be Fabulous. And it's a click pen, and it says that on 2 sides. All right, that works for me. Okay, now this I am excited about because I've been wanting to try one of these, and I've been hoping a subscription box that I've ordered would have one. I think this isn't exactly what I wanted to try, but it's on the right lines. You may remember my Secret Santa gave me some masks for my hands. And I've been wanting to try a face mask just because I'm curious. Personally, I'm of the opinion, like many beauty products, that they don't really do anything, that they're only there for the company to get your money. But I don't know. I don't know enough about it to know if I'm right or not. So anyway, here we go. These are 12 mini masks. It says crystal clear mini sheet masks. And then on the back, it has the directions and all these little crystals, pictures of crystals. And it says, place these mini masks on your skin, take a selfie. Why would you do that? You should video the whole process, obviously. Put it on YouTube, which I will probably have to do soon. Super cute crystal designs. I'm not gonna open it right now, but we'll do this soon. And it says, apply the mini masks to a desired area of the face or body. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, remove, and then massage any excess serum into the skin. Been curious. I'm looking forward to try that. All right, I see a tiny little jar of something. It says, I'm so fancy, solid perfume. Wicked good solid perfume, it says. Cruelty-free and vegan. It's organic coconut oil, something wax like candelilla wax, parfum, sweet almond oil, and cocoa butter. It's from Wicked Good in Northfield, Illinois. There's the lid, and there is the little jar. Let me open it up and show you the inside. I've never heard of a solid perfume. It is perfumey. It's a nice scent. I'm often not really a fan of perfumes because they tend to smell really chemically to me, and I don't like that, but that one is nice. I like it. Okay, here's a trinket tray in a nice gold box, and it says, throw glitter in today's face. That's cute. A little tin tray. I like that. Oh boy, here's something that has a unicorn on it. This should have gone to my sister's foster daughter because I gave her a bunch of unicorn stuff. It says, advice from a unicorn. It's a 2020 daily desk pad calendar. You're dope. Don't forget that. Some examples on the back. How about you kick off 2020 by getting over anything that held you back last year? You just don't need that kind of baggage. Another one, choose a mantra. Repeat it daily. Duh. My mantra is... and then you fill in the blank. Tribe, crew, squad. It doesn't matter what you call them, just make sure you have them. This isn't really my kind of thing, but we are having our family Christmas party in a few nights, and there will be some young girls there. This could be a good gift for one of them. Next item in the box came wrapped in plastic is a nice thermal mud. Classy with a savage side. Ooh, I like that. I should keep this on my desk at work. Has this plastic lid that opens up and is impossible to get off. There. It seems to be double wall insulated, but it's a very thin insulation, like there's not much space between the 2 walls. But I like that. That's nice. I think I might actually keep that one. Looks like there are 2 more things in the box. A card that says keep up the amazingness. That would be good to give to someone who is doing an amazing job at something. Oh, interesting. And this is a lined notepad. Says, oh, you can read that yourself. And it's interesting because one of my subscribers recently gave me, you may have seen this, 2 notebooks with this soft leathery cover, and this has the same thing. And I was saying I'd never seen that before. Here it is again. This is a new thing in my life. Well, that was fun. I got some items that I really like for myself, and that I'm curious to try, and then I got some things that I can pass along as Christmas gifts too, which was part of the reason that I did these boxes. And remember, I will link that below. And now back to our regularly scheduled Vlogmas. And now it's Advent calendar time. Hello, Lily. Hello, Baron. Hello, Roxy. All right, I'm in the mood for some sugar fina. Here is day 23. Fruity cereal. Covered in creamy milk chocolate, these crunchy cereal candies are a breakfast lover's dream. I tasted these at the store once and did not like them. They were Fruity Pebbles, if I remember, or Fruit Loops. They were Fruit Loops. Yeah, not my thing. No sugar fina for me today. Tea number 23. Where'd it go? There it is. Valerian Nights, calming caramel and coconut. I like caramel and coconut. Contains apple, coconut, rubus, chamomile. I don't like chamomile. Caramel pieces, sweet blackberry leaves. I love blackberries. Valerian root. Don't know what that is. I've heard of it, but not sure I've ever had it. And natural flavoring. Contains coconut. Why does it say that? Are some people allergic to coconut? Can y'all hear Roxy crying down there because she wants in the chair? Hello, Lily. It's not quite time yet. Hello, Roxy. All right, do-it-yourself advent calendar time. Number 23 is right here, and I have been waiting for this one all month. Roxy, you're very persistent. Okay, these are, you can see there are little holes punched in the side. It's a cover for one of my happy planners. So this is the front. It's got that gorgeous Chanel bag and some nice books. And then this is the back with the Chanel perfume. I just thought that was so pretty. I love the watercolor illustrations, and that will look great on one of my planners. I got these on Etsy, and I will link the seller below. Okay, my little stalkers, it's time. Door number 23 is right there. Roxy, remember we have to shake it first.